Hey guys, Frans Citron here from the Socks Factory. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own custom socks with us. Follow me. So first up, we get a design brief from the client and get all the elements that we need to bring the design to life for you. We decide on a sock style. We then do a digital rendering with some digital work so you can see how it will look in 3 dimensions. Once that's approved, we continue to make a physical sample for you. Once the physical sample has been made, we then take pictures for you so we can show you how the sock looks in real life and that it looks the same as the digital that we just presented. Once this is approved, we can continue to manufacturing. We also take it quite serious to be environmentally conscious. The inks that we use, all water-based inks. We're off the grid with solar. We also do community uplifting by employing unemployed youth and upskilling them to give them more exposure. And it's all done within the factory here. So having control of the whole manufacturing and design process really leads to what we can do. So as you can see, we manufacture the socks here. We pull a white sock over a tube, then we digitally print it onto the sock. It's still in a fluid form. Then we proceed to take the sock to the oven where the sock is cured, and it changes from fluid form to a gas form, meaning that the ink will be binding with the sock and will stay there for life. It won't wash out, it won't fade. Once the manufacturing side is done, we go to the quality control side. So at the quality control section, we basically make sure that all the socks come together of the different sizes, and we pack it all, just making sure on the final quality. Once it's packed, we pack it in bags of 20, box them and ship them. This whole process from design brief to deliver to your door can be as quick as a week, and on average we say 1 to 2 weeks, but everything happens in-house, and that's how easy it is to make socks with us.